Welcome, my name is Jocelyn and today we have my first Stitch Fix unboxing in a while. I got my box right here. If you are not familiar with what Stitch Fix is, I will give a brief rundown whilst I open this box. I'll show you what pieces I've got in the mail and then I will try them on and then decide what I want to keep, what I want to send back, and just kind of take you along with me in the process. I'll have a timestamp on the screen where you can skip to just see what I got in my box and not hear the little spiel I'm about to give. But for those of you who are left, Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service where a stylist who works for Stitch Fix takes a look at your style profile. It's a very in-depth profile where you give them your preferences, your sizes, things you like, things you don't like, things you want to receive constantly, things you never want to receive, styles you never want to receive, all that jazz. They look at your profile, they pick out some pieces they think that you're gonna like, and then they send you to them in a box. In the box also comes a prepaid mailer envelope where you can put all the items you do not want to keep and send them back. You can send everything back. With each box, there is a $20 styling fee that goes towards anything that you choose to keep. If you sign up using somebody's referral link, you do get $25 off of your first box, which essentially waives that styling fee. So it's kind of like a $25 free credit towards any items you might find in your box that you want to keep. I will have mine listed down below. You definitely don't have to use it, but if you would like to, I would be most grateful because then I get $25 also. So you get $25, I get $25 towards my next box. And it definitely makes things a little bit easier. So I think that I remembered everything. If I forgot anything, I will leave it down below. But without further ado, we are gonna break into my box. The last unboxing that I did was whilst I was pregnant, so it's been quite a while, 7 months ago maybe more than that. I have not done an unboxing in a long time. On top, we have my style guide and my pricing guide. We're gonna go ahead and pop those over to the side. I also have my prepaid mailer envelope to send anything that I don't want to keep back. I did request a new stylist this time. I did get some Stitch Fixes over the last handful of months and I just haven't been too happy with them. So I did request a new stylist. You can do that. This is the first time I've ever done that. You can request to stay with the same stylist. You can request to do a new one or the same one, or you can request to have a brand new one, which is what I did this time. So I have got my pouch of clothing. It looks like we got some jeans and more legging stuff. I have recently been given the option to choose out of 10 items, the 5 items that I would like to try. I do not remember exactly what I chose, so this is kind of still a surprise for me. Let's break into my pouch, shall we? On top, ooh, we have got a stretchy top of sorts. Threads for Thought, ooh, a favorite of mine from Stitch Fix. Kenzie ribbed performance tank gray, size medium. I do have to be a little careful with what kind of bralette tops I'm wearing right now because I am breastfeeding and you just don't want to wear anything that's too constricting, too tight, or else it can mess with your supply. So we'll see. We'll see how this fits. It does look cute. It does look comfy. I'm not sure if it's something that I could really use right now, but I'll give it a try. We'll see. Next, ooh, we have another one. Ooh, this one looks a little more promising. It looks a little more, yeah, it's a little more stretchy, which I like. A little more roomy, stretchy, comfy, less tight. This is a Free People Movement Run Cropped Performance Tank Blue, size mediums. This is pretty cute. I do like this one a lot. I think on first glance, I like this more than I like the other one, but we'll try them on. We'll see. Ooh, I'm acting like I've never seen these before. I did choose these, but I forgot what I chose. So we also have a pair of leggings. They do not have pockets. Unfortunately, I do kind of need pockets-ish because I wear an insulin pump, so it is pretty useful to have pockets, but we'll see. We'll see how these fit. These are kind of a black and gray tie-dye, very soft. These are the Threads for Thought Monica printed leggings, black, size medium. I could use some more leggings, so we'll see. Okay, what's next? What is this? Sweater of sorts? Ooh, this is cute. Okay, So this is a sweater-ish. It's like a sweatshirt, but it's thinner, so I would call it a sweater. This is the Kalea Hazel single pocket hooded knit top, olive size medium. So this is really cute. I do like this. I work from home and I'm a new mom, so comfy, cozy is right up my alley. And then finally, a pair of pants. I like. These are cute. Okay, these are the Studio Blue Aranza skinny jean indigo size 6. So I am pretty much back down to my pre-pregnancy weight and size. My body has changed a bit, so my hips a little bit wider. I do have kind of that lower belly pouch that comes with pregnancy, so I do need high-waisted things to hold myself in. So we'll see how these fit. All right, so moving on to my style guide and my pricing guide. So we'll take a look at my style guide first and look at the note from my stylist. I like what my stylist had to say. Okay, so read my note from my stylist, checked out the style guides for each of the pieces that she sent me, and now we're gonna check out the pricing guide for everything. I don't think that there was anything outrageous. No, not at all, actually. Decently priced. So the jeans are still on my lap, so let's go ahead. These are $58. These are the most expensive thing in the box. $58 for a pair of jeans I definitely don't think is outrageous. I feel like that's pretty standard. Next we have the Kalea top. This is $48. This is kind of like the hoodie-ish, or $44, excuse me, $44. And then the, I think this is Threads for Thought. Yeah, Threads for Thought Monica printed leggings. These are also $44, okay. And then there's actually quite a price difference between the two tops. The Free People Movement one, which is the bralette tank thing that I liked a little bit more off first glance, is $30, and then the other one is actually the second most expensive thing in the box, and this one is $48, probably because it's a little more structured than the Free People one is, so that makes sense why this one would be a little bit more pricey. So $48, $30, that's an $18 difference. That is pretty substantial. That's, oh, I guess I could give you some totals. If I were to keep absolutely everything in my box, it would cost me $224. If I did keep everything in the box though, I would get a 25% discount, which would knock $56 off of it, and it would only cost me, it would cost me $168. I definitely don't think I'll be keeping everything in the box, but let's try everything on, see how it looks, see how it feels, and then make a decision. Probably. It might take me a couple days to make a decision. Sometimes it does. All right. Okay, so I have the first two items on. I do like this top. I did put some nursing pads in here just in case there was some leakage, because I didn't want to leak on something that I didn't own yet. But this is pretty comfy, pretty cozy. It's definitely nice and stretchy, which is what I was looking for, and I think it's pretty cute. I do like this. I might end up keeping this. The leggings, I think they're really cute. They are comfy, but again, they don't have any pockets, so I just don't think that they would be worth it, because I kind of have to have pockets with my insulin pump, and there's none. If these had pockets, I think I would keep them, but they don't have pockets, so alas, I will not be keeping them. So these are the first two items. I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the hooded top first, because I think that that will look better with this kind of situation outfit, and then I'll put the pants and the other top like this on. Okay, so this is just kind of the nice olive green-ish hooded top with a pocket. I definitely think it fits good. It looks good with leggings, which is kind of what I live in all the time. This actually looks really cute together. I might try and find another pair of leggings that has this kind of black and gray tie-dye. If you have any recommendations, please leave them down in the comments below. But I really like this. I do like this shirt a lot. I think I could get a lot of use out of it. I think it's really cute. It's really pretty. It is comfy, cozy, and it does have the nice little hood. I don't know how often I would be using that, but it's there if I want it. All right, so these are the first three items. Let me put the pants on and that other top. All right, so we have the next two items on. The top looks really good, but it is too tight. It's definitely too, like, I mean, there's this outer portion that's pretty loose, but then it does have kind of a sports bra like underneath, and that's just a no-go when you're breastfeeding. You don't really want to constrict at all, or else you will dwindle your supply, or you can dwindle your supply, and I'm not there. I don't want to do that. So this is a no-go. I do like the pants. I think they fit pretty good. I think that they're cute, but do I, well, I mean, they're like a tiny bit snug. I mean, they're cute. They're not like the most comfortable pants. So I don't know. We're gonna have to think about them. Okay, now that I've tried everything on and I've got some thoughts, let me put my regular clothes back on and kind of give some final thoughts and maybe make a decision. We'll see. And we're back. Okay, so final thoughts. There are 3 things that I'm definitely sending back. The leggings, I do like these a lot. If they had pockets, I would keep them. So I'm gonna be on a hunt for leggings exactly like this, but with pockets. So again, if you have any recommendations, leave them down below. But these ones are going back. Same with the top. I just explained why. This one's going back. The pants, they're the most expensive thing in the box. Again, $58 is not outrageous, I don't think, for a pair of pants. I liked them when I first saw them on, but the more I moved in them, the less comfortable they felt, the less worth it they felt. So those are also going back, which leaves me with these 2 items. I am gonna keep the bralette thing. I think that this is gonna be super great during the summer. It's very comfy, cozy. I like it. It's nice and loose. I think it'll look cute with cardigans, maybe a jean jacket. Lots of options, I think, with this. And then this guy right here, I did really like this. I feel like I could see myself wearing this a lot. I mean, it's not anything too outrageous, too exciting, but maybe I don't need that in my life. Maybe I need something comfy, cozy, standard, fine, that I would wear a lot of. I can see this being something like that, where I can just consistently throw it on and be satisfied. So I'm gonna think about this one. I think I might keep it, but again, I just wanna make sure. So if you have any thoughts, leave them down in the comments below on whether or not you think I should keep this item. I think right now I'm leaning towards yes. We shall see. There is my first Stitch Fix unboxing in a long time. I hope that you enjoyed. If you would like to try Stitch Fix out for yourself, I do have a referral link down below, like I mentioned earlier, where you can get $25 off of your first fix. If you would like, again, I get $25, you get $25. It's a big help to me and my channel. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe for more content from me, consider doing that. All those buttons are right down below, and I think that's everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.